Welcome to Simple Life with Ron. Everyone, I'll explain to you how to earn MST after you open your profile and check this out. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so for you to be updated whenever I have a new video. You can check your NFT attributes here, and since I leveled up yesterday, I can add points for this. This blue line is your strength, and you can see that the max is 2.0 and I still have 1.6. So it's still possible to earn MST. This above is an MST earning cap that is updated daily, and you can see that profit can earn more MST. I decided to include my argument on how crucial it is for other traits to contribute to profit. You may check that in our white papers. Okay, harvesting your crops is the first step in earning MST. Click on crops to harvest them. Since my barn is full at this point, I must sell some items I don't need in order to harvest again. Still, don't get it because it has a chance of happening. Here is a second method for finishing orders. As you can see, I received MST the first time, and I'm attempting to complete it once more. A final time, the third approach is to complete the businessman task, which I have done here, but alas, there are no MST as rewards. The fourth and final option is to take harvests from your friends. Click here to see it. If it's available to steal, you can also steal things like eggs or milk in addition to crops. Discover another. Okay, it's not a lucky day, so I still wouldn't get that MST, but there are 3 other ways to get MST. First, you can accept gifts from friends. If they give you a gift, you can get 90% of its value. Next, you can complete balloon tasks. However, you must first reach level 17 to begin balloon tasks. Finally, you can invite friends. After inviting a friend who buys an NFT, you can get 15 MST.